Life has a funny habit of turning on us when we least expect it. Sometimes we are just innocently driving along without a care in the world when boom, your tire burst at the most inopportune moment. Who do you call? You'd probably perform a quick Google search to call the first truck towing company you find, but that rarely is a good idea. No, you never know what's going to happen, so it's important to have details. You need to have people you can trust, and that's us. Find Tow Truck offers 24 hours towing and roadside assistance to Texas, California, Florida, Washington, and all over the USA. If you are broken down, need a wrecker service, jumpstart, medium and heavy tow truck service, run out of gas, or have locked keys in the car, give Find Tow Truck a call and you will be back on your way in no time. You might wonder what exactly we do, and yes, the answer is everything. Our services include wrecker service, automobile locksmith, flatbed towing, car battery replacement, tire change, off-road vehicle recovery, wheel lifting towing, medium and heavy-duty towing service, and more. We are just a single call away. Call us without hesitation, and you can be assured our good reputation is built on solid grounds. Regardless of whether it's evening or day and something sudden occurs, we work 24/7. So whenever you are stuck, call on your nearby service provider to find a tow truck and get yourself back en route. Our hours of operation is 24/7. You can email us on info@findtowtruck.net or call us on +1 855 457 1170. For more details, you can visit our website www.findtowtruck.net.